These are Indian owls, the nature's watches, the silent guardians. Even in cities, owls quietly watch over us. They live close to humans, yet ask for nothing in return. They control rats and pests. They protect our food and homes. They reduce disease spread by keeping rodent populations in balance. Where owls survive, the ecosystem is still healthy. They work silently at night, so cities can live safely by day. Owls are not bad luck. They are nature's protectors. When we protect owls, we protect our cities, our farms, and ourselves.